This demonstration will show you how to use the SafeAssign Direct Submit option. When you enter your course, access the control panel, and then in the Course Tools area, click on the link for SafeAssign. Up at the top of the page, you'll see a link to Direct Submit, and you'll want to use this option of SafeAssign when you want to upload one or more assignments and have SafeAssign check them for matching other sources. So you'll click the Direct Submit link, and then uploading a paper is as easy as clicking the Submit a Paper link. And in the Upload File area, you can browse your computer for an assignment file, or if you already have the assignment open on your desktop and you would like to just copy and paste the text of the paper, you can select this button, enter a title. I usually enter the student's name so I can find it when I see the report, and then all you'll need to do is paste the text into this box. If you choose to use the File Upload button, all you need to do is browse, locate the file on your computer, and scroll down the page and click Submit. Now, if you've used the assignment file download function out of the Grade Center and you have all of your student assignments for a particular assignment in a zip folder, you can upload those all at one time by clicking the Submit a Paper button, and in the Browse function, locating your zip file. You'll notice that the acceptable file formats that SafeAssign takes are zip and doc and other formats. So using a zip folder to upload a whole group of assignments at one time is really slick. So then you just click Submit and wait for the batch upload to occur. Once that happens, you'll usually get a note saying this is successful, and sometimes certain files are rejected, and that's generally because they're in the wrong format. So in this case, you'll see that one of my students submitted their assignment, but it was in WordPerfect format, and we don't accept assignments in that format, nor does SafeAssign. So we'll just need to contact that student. Now, once you complete your batch upload or your assignment file upload, then you'll just probably need to wait a few minutes. I would, grade another assignment or go do something for a couple of minutes, and then when you come back to SafeAssign, you should see the column is filling up with matching percentages and green check marks for it to view the SafeAssign reports. Now, the last part that I just want to share with you quickly is in the Submit a Paper area, you'll notice that there are a couple options to submit the paper as a draft or to skip the plagiarism checking. And this is in relation to the fact that all schools that use SafeAssign through their Blackboard platform have an institutional database. And what that means is all of the papers that are going into SafeAssign through the Globe Education Network Blackboard courses are being put into our institutional database. And so sometimes it's helpful to not add a paper to the database if you just want students to see if they are properly citing their outside sources, but they haven't finished the complete draft of their paper, so you don't want it added to the database at that time. In other cases, you may have no worries about the plagiarism, or you may have already checked it in another way or graded it some other fashion, and you at this point just want to put the papers into the database so that in the future, if another student tries to use the same paper, if the students are sharing assignments, or if another student just comes across another student's assignment and wants to reuse it, once it's in the institutional database, if that instructor then uploads that assignment again to SafeAssign, it'll show a match. So in most cases, you're going to leave both of these empty because you want the assignment to go into the database and you want to receive a SafeAssign report. But if you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to contact me and I can explain it to you further. The other option here to point out is that you can organize your assignment submissions over here into folders. So if I'm submitting assignments for various classes and I want to create a folder for a different class. You would just put a title in here for what you want the folder to be called, add the folder, click on the folder, and then from there go to submit your papers, and then all of those submissions will go right into that folder for that class. And this is a good way to help keep your submissions organized if you're submitting a lot of papers through SafeAssign. If you have any questions about any of this, please contact me and I will be happy to help you.